What's going on, everybody? Pure Michigan Grow here with you. Just trying to go over a few little nutrients that I'm using, and a couple little other little stuff that I'm using as well. Hope everybody's high today. Hope everybody's having a good day. So today, guys, we're gonna go over a few nutrients. The one I'd like to go over first is Holy Mackerel by Bush Doctor. Okay, so basically, guys, this is a 3-1-0 mix. And remember, guys, that all the numbers mean something, okay? All the numbers are going to mean something, guys. So with this one, what this contains is 0.2% nitrogen, 0.3% water insoluble nitrogen, and 2.5% other water soluble nitrogen. So that's a total of 3% nitrogen. A total percent of nitrogen is 3%, and the available phosphate is 1%. Okay, and this is derived from protein hydrolysate, basically from fish. Okay, now it's a organic, a little organic gardening. Nice nutrient that you can use. So for the top results, you're going to want to follow your Fox Farm chart if you have one, guys, or I don't want to lead nobody the wrong way, but I just kind of eyeball it, it depending on the ratios that you're doing or how many plants you're feeding, you know what I mean? This stuff, guys, if you're mixing it with the another nutrient, you got to make sure that it doesn't have a lot of nitrogen, guys, because you want to remember this already has 3%. Okay, so this is already full of nitrogen. Now what you're going to want to do with this is you're going to want to drench your water, you know what I mean, thoroughly. You're going to want to apply 1 tablespoon per gallon of fresh water. This is going to go through like every week or every other week throughout the vegetation until you start flowering. Okay, so this is going to be all for the veg stage, guys. Now this is good for young like plants and seedlings, transporting or transplanting, sorry. Transporting, that's crazy, right? So yeah, basically this is all from fish, guys. Holy Mackerel by Bush Doctor. Here we have the Fox Farm, of course everybody's seen this. The Big Bloom and the Tiger Bloom. Okay, so basically if y'all are familiar with this, then cool. If not, well, this right here is gonna be for vegetation stage, guys. Fox Farm, it's a little vegetation stage. You feed it this. Now again, guys, you're gonna want to always read the back of your. You're gonna always want to read the back of your nutrient bottles, guys, to see what is in it. Okay, that's most important. What is in your nutrients? So in this one, it's basically has phosphate is 0.50% and potash is 0.70%, guys. Iron 10%. So this has no nitrogen. You know what I mean? This is why me personally, I'm starting this. So I'm using these two together. Now again, you're gonna want to look at the back, and you're gonna want to determine how much of it you're gonna use, depending on how many plants you're feeding or how big you're feeding, and you know, that's gonna determine your plants, how they're gonna grow. And you don't want to burn your plants, so you want to be careful in what you're feeding and how you're feeding. Okay. So Fox Farm is going to be with the vegetation stage only. Okay. Now most people follow a Fox Farm feeding chart. I don't have one of those, so what I'm doing now is basically just, like I said, eyeballing it, and so far it's worked for me, guys. Now see, I'm feeding a lot of plants, so my ratio is going to be a little different. I'm doing 3 and 1, so 3 tablespoons to 1 tablespoon for 10 gallons of water. It tells you on the back that you're supposed to do like 4 tablespoons per gallon of water. It seems kind of weird. So I'm just making sure that I'm getting used to it. Even if I'm underfeeding, hey, that's okay. It's better underfeed than overfeed. Now, again, this is Fox Farm Big Bloom for veg stage only. Now over here, guys, we have the Tiger Bloom. Okay, everybody knows what's this. This is for the flower stage. Now in this one, it's gonna have 2%. The total 2% nitrogen, and that's gonna be 0.10% ammoniacal nitrogen, 1.90% nitrogen, and it has 8% phosphate, 4% potash, 0.5% of magnesium, 0.02% of boron, 0.05% copper, 0.12% iron, 0.6% magnesium, and 0.5% zinc. Okay. So this is going to be whole nother ball game. This is for flower stage, guys. Okay. And as well, again, you want to make sure you know how many you're feeding, how much you need to use, what's the ratio you need, and etc. to make sure you have a successful, a successful grow. So the next one we're going to move to is the Flora Nova Grow 7410. I love this stuff. It's by General Hydroponics. I've been using this stuff for 2 years now, and it's just amazing. I love it. It works great for me, guys. All I do is, what I like to do is in the seedling stage, I'd like to just use Flora Nova Grow, and basically what I do is I put 3 mLs of this stuff mixed with water that is pH to 5.9 is what I like to do it. Mix them together, feed them, and they grow good. Now this stuff, guys, has a lot of stuff as well, man. It has 7% nitrogen, 4% phosphate, 10% potash, 4% calcium, 1.5% magnesium, 2% sulfur, 0.01% boron, 0.01% chlorine, 0.002% cobalt, 0.01% copper, 0.01% iron, 0.03% magnesium, 0.003% molybdenum, 0.02% zinc. This is really good stuff, guys. This is good stuff. I recommend this for any grower. It's easy to use. You can't fuck up, man. I mean, you know what I mean? Another thing, guys, I went to my grow store And I got some samples. Now I don't know if you guys heard of this stuff, Banish. It's for downy and powdery mildew, guys. Now one of these makes 4 gallons, and all you do is apply 4 mLs per gallon of water, guys, and spray your leaves. It helps with the mildew, guys. It's so awesome. I've been using it. One of my plants had mildew. That was last week ago. I was using it, and it's starting to get better, so I'm happy about that. And before we end, guys, another little sample I got was called Pure Crop 1. Now, Pure Crop 1 is a premium agriculture formula for valuable crops and plants. It's pretty badass. It creates 2 gallons. Okay? And basically, guys, this is for like if you got bugs, or if you got you know what I'm saying, just like a little infestation, or if you see like little gnats, you know what I mean. This stuff works great, guys. It also works for mold as well. So if you ain't got it, try it. Pretty badass. Alright, guys, that's all I got for now. Hope you liked the video. Smash the thumbs up, leave a comment, share, like, subscribe, and until next time, stay high, stay positive, because that's the only way to be in this world, guys. Y'all know the slogan, right? Let's get it.